Hello everybody, let's learn what are the problems of Taiwanese pronunciation. Actually, the Taiwanese cannot speak as a standard English as native speakers. Mostly they have some problem in some pronunciation. For example, these three voiceless consonants is in the end, and Taiwanese will drop these three consonants, which are the voiceless. Okay, so for example, there are some consonants that is voiced in the end. It's also dropped by Taiwanese, which are b, d, g. Therefore, you sometimes cannot clearly listen to these consonants in Taiwanese talk. And the b, the, g. It's very hard to hear Chinese pronounce these consonants at the end of their sentence or at the end of the word. Okay, so it's very difficult for Chinese not to drop this consonant. So, for example, we will hear some people from China and from Taiwan. They have this kind of problem. Okay, so they don't know how to drop some consonant that really need to be dropped, and they pronounce it. For example, the Taiwanese say didn't. This should be dropped, but they pronounce it too clearly. It should be didn't. The Taiwanese will say didn't. Okay, it's wrong. You say didn't. That is correct. Okay, for example, cotton is wrong. You say cotton is correct. Okay, sometimes Taiwanese do not know how to drop the consonant in the middle. It should be button, not button. Okay, it should be stutton, not stutton. And it should be couldn't. Taiwanese or Chinese will say couldn't. Okay, so this and in the middle should be dropped, but they don't know how to drop it, and they pronounce it. So this is wrong. You should say didn't, cotton, button, stutton, couldn't. Okay, so this is called syllabic consonant. Alright, so if you need a consonant in the middle, you have to drop it. You have to drop it. Alright? So let's see some other problem that Chinese have. For example, the Chinese will say the consonant in the middle too clearly. For example, last time, you should just say one touch. You should not say last time. Okay? You should say last time. Last time it should be like one word and you drop the t in the middle. For example, you should say next day. You cannot say next day. It's wrong. You should drop the consonant in the middle and say next day. And good day. You should not say good day. In the middle, there is a consonant. This one should be dropped. You cannot say good day. You should say good day to make it continuous. Okay? So when there is a consonant and the in the middle, or k and the in the middle, you have to drop it and make it like one word. Alright? So these are some problems that will be committed by the Chinese or Chinese. Alright? So when you say some consonant, you will have to clearly say it. Sometimes you have to drop the repeated consonant. will drop it or is in the end of the word. Alright? So we won't have to pronounce the and the is in the end of the past tense noun, the past tense voice and past tense noun. Alright? So let's see some consonant that is voice or voiceless in the end of the word. For example, lollipop. The p cannot be dropped. Okay? Minute. Okay? We cannot drop it. Alright? So all the consonant or the voice consonant and the voice consonant in the end of the word, you cannot drop those consonants. You will have to clearly pronounce them. Lollipop, minute, instead of lollipop, minute. Okay? So the conclusion is that you should raise your attention to the difference of the English and Chinese and Chinese in order to raise your pronunciation level. You should conquer the obstacle of the difference in English and Chinese. Thank you very much for watching.